Janine Dyer wrote and illustrated a Bermudian-inspired children's book called The Light, with a goal to inspire children to know their worth. Here, she tells us more on just how powerful this book really is.
My book is called The Light because I was looking for a way to reach kids at a really young age and tell them about their power and their worth and show them and inspire them to do great things, for themselves, for their future. It's a book of hope, and it's the first question we always need to ask is, who am I? So it gives kids that answer. It gives them connection. So in the first page it says, "What am I?" she said to the light. And to her surprise, the light replies, "You are a piece of me and I'm a part of you." I just wanted to give my kids a sense of hope in a hopeless world, because when they look at the news and they look at the situation that's heading their way, it's really, really sad. I wanted the people of Bermuda to invest in this book, and the way that she would do that is to include them. So the first scene starts at West Pembroke. It's a little girl sitting under a washing line, and on the line is West Pembroke's uniform, so that it gives the school pride, and all the kids who go to that school, they feel pride. It's a really powerful book if it's understood, and I hope it will be. And then after that, I wanted the whole of Bermuda to be included, because in order to change my kids' future, I need to impact all the kids around.
Janine tells us of the uniqueness around the illustration and art featured in her newly released book.
While I was in South Africa for 6 months during COVID, I sat down and I said, what if I use images, like I draw the book and the storyline? Because I was trying to get an illustrator and realized that I had to do it myself. So I had to push past the whole uncomfortable thing of showing my art. It's got cute pictures to engage the kids. It's got local scenes like the lighthouse. It's got local fruit like the loquat tree. It's got the North Shore Sea and bluebirds, and it's got the Bermuda kite that's flying in the background all the time. And they're all watercolors.
Here she tells us of her upcoming initiative this Saturday.
It's going to be at Rock Island from 10 to 1. I'll be sitting down selling books and posters. If you want to put it up in your kids' room, they're really pretty. And future books that are coming out too.